In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Gumtree account. If you no longer use Gumtree and want to remove your account, the process is fairly simple. One important thing to know before you begin is that Gumtree uses deactivation first. That means your account is not deleted instantly. Instead, once you deactivate it, your account will be permanently deleted after 14 days of inactivity. So if you're sure you want to move forward, here's how to do it. Start by going to the Gumtree website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the menu option. This is where you can access your account settings and other navigation options. Click on Menu to open it. After the menu appears, find and click on My Details. This section contains your personal account settings and account management options. If you're already signed in, it should take you straight to the relevant area. If you're not signed in yet, you may need to log in before continuing. Inside the My Details section, look for the option that says Deactivate My Account. Click on that to begin the account removal process. This is the key step that tells Gumtree you want to close your account. At this stage, keep in mind that deactivating the account does not always mean immediate permanent deletion. According to the process shown here, if you remain inactive for 14 days after deactivating the account will then be permanently deleted. In other words, once you've deactivated it, avoid signing back in if your goal is full deletion. Logging in again during that period could interrupt the process. It's also a good idea to make sure you're finished with anything connected to the account before deactivating it. For example, you may want to check whether you still have active listings, saved messages, or information you want to keep for your records. Once the deletion process completes, recovering that account may not be possible. So, to recap in a simple way, go to the Gumtree website, open the menu, select My Details, and then click Deactivate My Account. After that, leave the account inactive for 14 days so it can be permanently deleted, and that's all it takes to delete your Gumtree account. If you're following along, just take your time with each screen and make sure you don't log back in during the deletion waiting period.